Om Shri Hari Shri Harai. I'm live for just 2 minutes to talk to my Facebook friends, and this particular video will be the shortest video for my YouTube channel. So whoever will be watching, please like it and share it with the like-minded people. Subscribe it as well, right? So the YouTube channel is with regards to certain proses that I write in Tatsam Hindi, of course, right? I personally do not believe in adulteration, even if it is my own language. That happens to be my Rashtra Bhasha, Hindi, Tatsam Hindi, Sanskrit Nishta Hindi. So tonight, I'm live just for 2 minutes with regards to a certain thing that I have been thinking to tell since a long time. Then tonight, before I rest, let's talk in Hindi, yeah? Or let's continue in the foreign language, English. Because we are not Bharat or Hindustan, our Samvidhan is not based on Sri Bhagavad Gita yet, right? And we aren't a Hindu Rashtra. That's mandatory, right? That's mandatory because we are 92 in percentage. Adi Ananta Sanatan Hindu. See, I have no regrets in life, right? I have no regrets in life at all. I'm extremely happy because I have, avenged my peace of mind back by abusing many people who desperately deserved abuses, pathetic abuses that they haven't even thought in their wildest dreams. They have been deserving it since a very long time because these are the people of the society, of our neighborhood, who have been, poking us, being Bengalis, being Brahmin Bengalis especially, and they have the audacity to compare us with, say, the maid servants, the house helps. Those are mandals of Bangladeshis, right? So I've abused the Punjabi clan, especially from Bhatinda, Rawalpindi, Lahore, right? Because no matter even if they possess say SUVs and many luxury cars, still they have proven that they are the Chappar Chap refugees. Not even with a taunt, camps, the tent, not even suited enough to reside inside a torn cloth tent house, of course with their pet dogs, maybe pugs, maybe Labradors, right? Maybe pit bulls, right? So it explains the way they behave in the society, right? So it's better sometimes to outburst. I'm extremely happy. I have no regrets in my life, and I have avenged. See, there are two words, beautiful words in British English, in the language English, that's foreign language, the language of Britain, right? The people are known as British, and we always say Britishers. There isn't anything as Britishers. It's British and Britain. Yeah, please understand that. And I will continue continue to write in Tatsam Hindi, but I'll talk in English because we are not Bharat or Hindustan. We are India. That doesn't mean anything at all. So I have no regrets in my life. I have abused lots of people. Many people are yet to be manhandled, right, properly. Sometimes there is a bashing up when people do pertain to an audacity to talk rubbish about each and every Bengali they meet, as terming the Bengalis who are civilians, who are indeed the citizens of Bharat, right, as Bangladeshis or as household, as house helps and the maid servants. So probably someone like me, I would not, leave an opportunity to, rip anybody of any age group, for that matter, of any age group, right? So the standard of the Punjabis here, they are Nayyars, they are Bataras, they are Kundras, and many more, right? And it's just one Bengali, because my parents were extremely humble. I'm not, because I have been, listening and watching things since my earliest childhood. When the other person pertains to bear the audacity to insult someone who is a Bengali, who has been listening to it since an early childhood, defaming someone as a house help, right? A house help, or say a mandal, right? They're helping you out because you people are crippled enough to maintain your own home. Right? So people were telling me that why don't you keep a maidservant? I said that I want to, I have enough time. There isn't any little child at my father's residence, and it's my father's blood and sweat property, and I love to cleanse it. What's the big deal? It keeps oneself fit enough to cleanse the home, prepare food, right? And meanwhile, I'm in a hybrid mode. I work from home, and casually, because of an eye injury in the cornea, right, outer injury, I have worked from home, right? And so I don't have any regrets in my life. There are two beautiful words in English dictionary that those are revenge and avenge. I believe in avenging justice. Right? Because in Sri Bhagavad Gita, Bhagwan Sri Radha Sri Krishna has already preached us that we must avenge justice and our self-dignity and self-sanctity. When we are correct, when we are righteous, we are correct, we are, no matter if there are uncountable people, or say a bunch of deliberate, crooked, shrewd people as a society as a whole, punch them hard, slap them, knock them out, so that they remember that there was a Bengali in the society to whom we were, because my parents were extremely humble. My Baba was the humblest man I have ever seen in the entire universe, and my mother didn't care. But that doesn't solve the persistent audacity of knuckleheads, especially the Kundras, Nayyars, Bataras, and hopelessly Bharadwaj too. Well, they are a bit sophisticated though, but then they don't leave any chance to be deliberate, crooked, and shrewd. Why are Punjabis so deliberate? I believe they have some, dilemma, agony, and irony of their being, from a refugee clan. Yeah. Well, I don't find it. I have never found it in Sindhis and in Sardars though. Never ever. Great people, great humility. Sindhis, and Sardars as of now. Because in our early childhood, we were busy in studying, then graduation, post-graduation, then we've gotten to work, then we've gotten married to hopeless family, hopeless man. Then coming back here in my father's residence, and then thereafter many things begun by the society. Many things. Now when I'm back here, say 1.5 years ago, to my father's residence, to each and everybody's residence here in Gurugram, Sector 4, Haryana. So the same thing happened. The same comments, the same shrewd, crooked behavior, right? So it was my time to avenge the self-dignity, the self-sanctity that was being avenged by the Bluebells group of schools too, who left no chance to demoralize me as being a Bengali, right? I still remember, is your father a VVIP? and then Mrs. Sehgal, that was Mrs. Suman Gulati, Mrs. Sehgal. Do you know who are we? After, leaving finger impressions on my son's chubby cheeks. Well, I'll never forget it. The police was being seated in that school for a fortnight's time. Every day they visited. The school's reputation was ransacked because you have touched my son's chubby cheeks. I will rip you apart, baby. Right? Then Mrs. Sehgal asked me that, do you know who are we? Who are we? Who is Bluebell's group of schools? I said, do you know who am I? Yeah. How many people are with me? Who am I? I'm the parent, and I pay you to earn your salary. I pay you your bread and butter. My son studies in your school, so I am VIP raised to power infinity. Yeah, because I am the parent, and that too a single parent who has been hopelessly for a year's time in your school with teachers with misconduct, unrighteous, always into adultery, with drugs addict students, right? A hopeless, pathetic neighborhood I'm residing. Well, I'll reside here. It's my father's residence. If the people are shrewd and crooked, they have gotten their set of abuses. The Kundras, the Nayars, the Bataras, and of course, at times, the Bharadwajs too. Yeah, talk, gossip, whatever you can, because there are certain people who will be always into a verbal diarrhea. Sometimes we find an instance of tonsillitis in rectum and piles in the place of tonsillitis, isn't it? There are certain people. We have to recognize them. And someone like me, I'm not a humble person anymore, because things have been persistently pathetic with me. With that note, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. Always remember, whenever one is righteous, one is correct, one is authentic, and when one has never ever thought any bad or ill for the other person, and persistently the things happen, show them the righteous move with respect to the other person's understanding, be abuses, be bashes, be anything for that matter. Yeah, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. And always remember the difference between revenge, no revenge, but avenge, the self-dignity, the self-sanctity.